Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today's video is an important one, especially if you or someone you know is dealing with proteinuria, an excess of protein in the urine. This can be a sign of kidney damage, and if left unchecked, it can lead to more serious health issues. But don't worry, because today we're going to discuss 10 natural drinks that can help stop proteinuria quickly and support your kidneys' healing process. So let's dive right in. Before we get into the drinks, let's talk a little bit about what proteinuria is and why it's important to take care of your kidneys. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering waste and excess fluids from your blood. When they're not functioning properly, protein can leak into your urine, a condition known as proteinuria. This could be a sign of kidney damage, often caused by high blood pressure, diabetes, or infections. The good news is, with the right diet and natural remedies, you can support your kidneys and potentially reduce proteinuria. Now, let's explore the top 10 natural drinks that can help. Drink number 1, cranberry juice. First on our list is cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is widely known for its ability to support urinary tract health. It works by preventing bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that can strain your kidneys. In addition, cranberry juice is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help lower protein levels in the urine. However, it's important to choose pure, unsweetened cranberry juice to get the full benefits without the added sugars. Drink number 2, barley water. Next up, we have barley water. Barley water is a traditional remedy that's been used for centuries to cleanse the kidneys and reduce inflammation. It's rich in fiber, vitamins, and essential minerals that support kidney function and help reduce proteinuria. Barley water acts as a natural diuretic, which means it helps flush out toxins from your kidneys and prevents the buildup of excess fluids. To make barley water, simply boil barley grains in water, strain, and drink it throughout the day. Drink number 3, lemon water. Moving on to lemon water. Lemon water is not only refreshing, but it also offers significant benefits for your kidneys. The citric acid in lemons helps prevent the formation of kidney stones, which can reduce kidney strain and lower protein levels in your urine. Lemon water is also alkalizing, meaning it helps balance the pH levels in your body, which can further support kidney health. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning is a great way to start your day and keep your kidneys in top shape. Drink number 4, green tea. Number 4 on our list is green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which help protect your kidneys from damage and reduce inflammation. Studies have shown that green tea can lower the levels of proteins in the urine, making it a powerful drink for those with proteinuria. Green tea also helps with weight management and reduces the risk of developing chronic kidney disease. For best results, drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily, and remember to avoid adding sugar or sweeteners. Drink number 5, dandelion tea. Next, we have dandelion tea. Dandelion tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping to cleanse your kidneys and support their function. It's also rich in potassium, which is essential for balancing fluid levels and reducing proteinuria. In addition, dandelion tea has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the kidneys and reduce the risk of further damage. You can easily make dandelion tea by steeping dried dandelion roots or leaves in hot water. Drink number 6, hibiscus tea. Another powerful drink for kidney health is hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is not only vibrant and flavorful, but it also helps lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney damage. By reducing blood pressure, hibiscus tea can help prevent proteinuria and protect your kidneys. Moreover, hibiscus tea is rich in antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, further supporting your kidney health. Drinking hibiscus tea regularly can be a tasty way to take care of your kidneys. Drink number 7, nettle leaf tea. 7th on our list is nettle leaf tea. Nettle leaf is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties, making it an excellent choice for supporting kidney health. It helps reduce protein levels in the urine and protects your kidneys from damage. Nettle leaf tea is also rich in vitamins and minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium, which are essential for overall health. To make nettle leaf tea, simply steep dried nettle leaves in hot water for a few minutes. Drink number 8, coconut water. Let's talk about coconut water. Coconut water is a natural electrolyte drink that helps maintain proper hydration and supports kidney function. It's rich in potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. Drinking coconut water regularly can help flush out toxins and prevent the buildup of kidney stones, which can alleviate proteinuria. Just be sure to choose natural, unsweetened coconut water for the best results. Drink number 9, pomegranate juice. Don't overlook pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is high in antioxidants, particularly polyphenol, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative damage and improve their function. This can lead to a reduction in the amount of protein in your urine. Pomegranate juice also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the kidneys and reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease. Drinking a glass of pomegranate juice daily can be a delicious way to support your kidney health. Drink number 10, turmeric milk. Last but not least, we have turmeric milk. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, and when combined with milk, it creates a soothing drink that can help reduce proteinuria and support kidney healing. Turmeric milk is also rich in antioxidants and has been shown to improve overall kidney function. To make turmeric milk, simply mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with warm milk and enjoy before bed. Remember, while these drinks are beneficial, it's also important to maintain a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and consult with your healthcare provider if you're dealing with any kidney issues. These natural remedies can complement your treatment plan, but they should not replace medical advice. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more healthy tips. See you next time.